gatano enyorere aya onsi asituke konya ebintu bya mugondo ere angena sure gose akesimi gutera se number 0788000028 gose 07
Waira byo mwanchumo ligereria ase Jumapili ya bene yechitariki emerongevere na isano nemo asomotienyi ogatano na kabere karibu sana ase kionga chensa ibere erionkomanye ayo na bere ngo kwaleganeria asobotuko bwalero ayo bere kagotokira ase meza ito ya mangana maya mbia mono ya bene ase ngenchogendrete kwegokeria miroberio ona boigo kuturigereria bunegeta seni togokweranira mbia na boigo kwalegania ase nchira ya bene ase kionga chensa ibere asobotuko bwalero gendera kutubwate ase mitandao yetu ya Facebook na bago YouTube Munagetembe TV na boigo ekero tokubwatira na Wilson Makori kurugaria sensemo yebimanyererio na incheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto saransoike nkomanyeyemo aseyemo. Ekeonga chinsa ibere nigo togocha kalimorioka aso kubolia kwa bere gokobekwa amona bana siasa gotiga gutumeka anena abasaye aso koleta chiburaburu ase mesangirekano muna enchere yemo yoko batumeka bobege siasa na yangolengana no monogeli bwe bunge nene umusike Moses Masika Wetangula oyo obere kagoteba buna chiburaburu negati yechisababu chinyinge echichereira basabange babeire bagusiria magimabo aiga sense ya Kenya gokwana mubasolero asomoyega abogosira magacho yechikanisa ime ya marani omoyego yuboigo obakugikirano nabarai okobolia nigo kwabekirwe elio okubwatesia serikali ya Kenya kwanza muna enchere yemoyo kugendera kwenyorera amagenderero murikito Daniel Ontiri na ikirana somoyego yo aniga gutuchakirie kiunga chinsa ibere asenchera yo wekirano
in the government.
Nasensemo yorwaki miye bunge ya Kitutu Church North ase county ya Kisii asomo speaker we bunge nene Moses Masika Wetangula arabara ibande asogosira magacho yichikanisa cha PAG gatiabo sa Faruk Kibet muske Jerusha Momanyi kurase county ya Nyamira Donya Doris Aburi kurase county ya Kisii muske AC Okenyuri Dolphin Bwari gati ya bande ne chinga kecho kubolia kwebekwa asabasa bagotume kubobe.
Hata nyinyi vijana mtu alikwambia pigana kwa sababu ya siasa, mwambie huyo mtu leta mtoto yake nianze na yeye ndio nitafute wa mwingine. Tunataka siasa ya urafiki na upendo na kusungumuza mambo ya sera.
Asense mwende abaraya baiga niko bakwanira kugania kukubwatesia serikali ya Kenya kwanza na komotebo mugusi koba bo murembe kurwa chingaki cha magiga no nyine chingaki chiga torochi asobochori bonene.
Na tunakuja hapa kuambia msiachilie hiyo quality ya jamii ya ubaguzi. Msiachilie iende, tuanze kusungumuza mambo ambayo inatupotezea marafiki.
Mimi nilibahatika kuchaguliwa katika chama cha rais, chama cha UDA. Na tena nikabahatika kupata rais, tena yeye pia akachaguliwa na chama ya UDA. Kazi yangu ikakuwa rahisi kwa sababu iliniwezesha kumfikia rais kwa haraka, na kwa sababu ya hayo hii constituency yetu imebadilika tangu niingie uongozini. Kweli ama si kweli?
Serikali abantu bataki serikali yezo kutsaidia. Banza ainara tukurwania. Serikali
Zamani tulikuwa na ile North Kavirondo ambayo inachukua Nyanza Western. Tunataka sisi turudi hapo na tuungane na to make sure kwamba the old North Kavirondo mwaka ujao tunapigia kura William Ruto.
Ndio sisi leo hii tunasema tunasimama na William Samoei Ruto. Hapa Kisii tunasimama na William Ruto. Kule kwetu mkoa Magharibi tumetembea na Moses Masika Wetangula. Yeye ndio tumemweka kiongozi wetu pale mbele. Wale vijana wetu wengine wanadanganywa, sisi tunaelimisha watu wetu, tunawaambia kwamba Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto ameweka maendeleo kila sehemu ya wapi? Ya Kenya.
Asomo igoiga wariganirwa n'umujumbe w'ensemiyo Musiki Japheth Nyakundi rombeiga ya barai niko baigo basanga n'abamenye asensemo ya gesieka imeye wodi ya Marani nekirenga yuko basegeta no kuboboria kubwatese serikali bwego siasa che county
kero wante neine nekero kia banina konganjera mama kolime
nkuruba teregeta seni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii letrane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Mugacho munene w'ikiama gya ODM Musike Timothy Bosire uyuboigo ulinge umubunge anene bw'ebungeria ya Kitutu Masaba imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nigabiriga kubwatuka chinkwana anene cyogosegeta gucia sabara ibonsi amo n'abanainchi begesa kukyo mugusi banyareko baguchamo naboigo gukwana nelio gelimo na kubwaterana elio koigeka oburayiboro boronge anene asegesa kukyo mugusi na barabo banyareko baguisaransa asemezeyemo anene y'uburai asemerobirie menene eyo ekorigererwa asobwaga chibwense ya Kenya. Omurikito Fatgad Gisemba na ikirana na gutwarigania oroboti oruo asenchira yobwikirana.
Nase umuyiga bw'emisa ase parishi ya St. Luke Kerongo yogochengera okonyora risakramento lya busasiroti bw'omusasiroti Erikana Okeyo umuyiga Father Lawrence Nyanga aira chingagecho na gukwanira ekewe keiga ekeresia kyanyorire.
Padri wetu hati leo ameitikia wito jana akibadilishwa kwa padri. Kwa hivyo tunamwombea Mwenyezi Mungu asije kumulinda, amwangazie wema wake mahali atakapo tumekufanya kazi aifanye awe shahidi wake Yesu Kristo. Na pia tunaalika wale vijana wetu ambao wako hapa tuwalee vizuri ili mwishowe naye pia waitikie wito waweze kuzaa matunda mema, ikiwa ni familia, ikiwa ni mwalimu, akiwa ni daktari, mahali popote.
Umuyiga oyoiga ni goikeranwa n'umwana siasa Musike Timothy Bosire oyo okwanira obomo bw'omugusi naboigo obaenekeria buna nigo arachie gochani kiama ky'omugusi bosyo bwobochori obonene
nabonde suburai bwense ukwanekere nga kingaki kuchikuga choko chora barai choro muntu bwegesa kukeinu asobomo tage tusimeke empetere ya community unit leadership. Create national network and national leadership that will give us a national place now and forever. Na tubuenele munegesa kiri industrious, kiri courageous, kiri intellectually gifted, and tuli tayari komiki mwanzo asubu ya bwake. Tepala buya. Hallelujah.
Omweri oye nigo Musike Timothy Bosire abaenekeria abanyamira buna nigo aritayare gocha kurwanirira oburai bw'obugavana Nyamira ase umwaka ogocha.
Iyo abantu kuna kumbuli bari bangakere gisibande nga nchubu y'ubugavana kitu cy'ukubuli andagara umwana angeli kubwali mwana watanga mutarachiwa karongo jugo chanyora ko batebike mwatebike mwaji mwali dia misini mwakora urai nibirengere bikoba hamo mwaikiranga tigo yagende nabagokonya igonye rwite ko bakonya lakini timore banga mukwe banga mwe bangete
Ngoripotera Getembe koregase parish ya St. Luke Kerongo ebunge ya Kitutu Masabi kaunti ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Gesemba.
Biamono sana. Recho Otundo oyiboigo kurigekero kyo bunge bwa Nyaribari Chache menye county ya Kisii na ikirana asa masabo yemisa asekerisia gya Kisii Cathedral eliokorwa ogosira kwaye anene okwabetega kurieira eikiyaeta yogochukwa gacha amagacho ye hall ase ekanise yo nigaboli abasubati bonsi weso na kubolia chikura elio bairwandire buna basacha asabaga kweya kerekoko na kubolia anyareko bagago chorwa na kwebwaliba anene asobochorio bonne olibusio nigo baiga bakago kwanira chisemi na boigo chibura buru echabere chikoenekigwa na chigendrete koenekigwa imeyense ya Kenya. Mulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara otwariganirie orobochuru.
Recho Otundo oyokorigia ekirgo ky'obubunge bwa Nyaribari Chache nigo agikerie eng'ana y'echiburaburu ase ebikore binge bigokorwa amo n'echigun ase ateba chigun chinde n'abaiseke amo n'abamura abande barabake.
But I was somewhere else, I couldn't be able to attend, and I decided to come today and also give my contribution. So I have come today. Apart from that, I am also praying to God so that we can have change. Sometimes change is better than arrest. Now, I want to tell you, ya kwamba hapa Kisii County and the whole of Kenya, we have had a lot of bullying, a lot of problems, and we are asking the church and everybody else to pray, because even young girls or young ladies have also entered into the business of bullying. And if it continues, even our children, young children, wataingia ndani because they think it's a norm. It is very unfortunate, and we should pray for those who bring those bulls so that they can stop, because what we need in this our county, in this our constituency is peace.
Nakwanera chisemi nabo igo oburia abasubati baisoke asobonge kuboria oburayi birogo au aiga Kenya.
Shule naenda kufungwa, na mimi naomba tafadhali tuangalie watoto wetu, let us take care of them, let us also advise them on what to do and ensure that they also come to church so that they are advised on what to do so that they live a peaceful life. Mnaona kuna shida nyingi, especially to our girl children, even the boy children. Mambo ya drugs imekuwa everywhere, hiyo ni shida kubwa sana. Having said that, mimi naomba Mungu anisaidie, anipatie nguvu, anipatie courage, anipatie confidence, so that I can conquer the seat of MP 2027. Mkiniombea na mkinisaidia, you will get the solution that you need. Nyaribari Chache MP 2027. Hata kwa hizi viti za political seats, we also need women to be there. Tunataka wanawake wakwe watafute viti zote. Kwa hivyo among them, mimi nimejibwaga uwanjani na naomba mkono wa Mungu.
Kuripotera Getembe kura Kisii Cathedral Kisii Central Ward Nyaribari Chache Kisii County nje Wycliffe Tyson.
Miyamono sana aborokiwa abakoro ba Kisii High School kose Kisii School alumni abo bakumirana asege kareke mokera omwaka nigo bachagete kumirana litukuri igoro abo ase eskureyo asebaba bagukora egikaro kya boli tukuri lero na nigo bakora egikare kyolimo bagukora egikare kiri maso mwaka asekerenga kiregyo kuba aborokyo mukya gesemi nabo igoke muika aseboigo baba bakulira yogo chugusira aborokiwa wali bakorwa ase chinka chibwate okonyora wainse anena somwa koyo iga nigo boigo ekerenga kyarenge gyokoroisia gosegosira ensemo yechi computer nigo boni gikarekyo kyabagiye koera buya ase baba bakwaligania barai au anene korwa ase chikanisa muna enchera ya mayogo kwanera naboigo gosegeta aboroki wabo ase enchera yake moika.
Today we have a grand event of a grand reunion of the alumni who have already arrived in large numbers. We are supporting the school in terms of infrastructure And the objective of the Old Boys is to support the school in terms of infrastructure and even support students by giving them motivational speaking and also financial.
I'm Dr. Sogo Boniface. I'm an alumni from Kisii School, class of 2011. Today I joined a wonderful group that came as a chair of the organizing team for 2026. And the reason why we are here is to have an objective of achieving 3 things. Number 1 is we are here to network the whole boy community so that we are able to marshal our energy to support the school community. This year particularly our mission is to have an ICT hub in this school so that the modern technologies that is there in the world, students are equipped by the time they leave Kisii School. They are at higher level to be able to get technology skills that are able to help them be better in the market.
I was invited to Kisii High School, the Kisii School, to come and be part and parcel of the grand alumni reunion which was happening here as a guest speaker, to come and help the young people of this great institution to untap their hidden potential and become better versions of themselves.
As the Alumni Week has been organized, we've been able to come and talk to these boys. We've been able to motivate them, speak to them, and far importantly, we've also been able to nourish them spiritually. And altogether, we have also been able to tell them that also choices, they have the consequences.
geni nigo rituko ria rero abeire ga kuburia omugusi anyare ko bakagochamo na kumubwatse Dr. Fred Matiang'i aseganga ya iyo kurigia ekirogo kyobura ibwensi muna enchere yemeyo gochikotoria ense ya Kenya gokwana rituko ria rero korwa ase kanisa ya Rangenyo kanisa ya Katoliki ya Rangenyo musiko Kongo nigo boigo abeire ga gwa ketege chinkwana chia ya omubunge o West Mugirango omuske Steve Mugaka echia bakagokwana buna nere obeire kagosiekira magendero oika ase bunge ya West Mugirango ase nonye nabo abeire ga kubori umunyamira kumubwatesia na kumwalibaga ase ntunde ya gatatu kumurabuna omo senator
lakini kumuranche totale amo ebyo kamatiangia ntebi na abagusiese mwatacha toberibo elimo totale buna abantu abamo nitora atwale chingo chimotwa. Asante sana father, asante kwa malipa.
Wana de bana to nyago sawa tajita grazie to yote tuoro lakini ese visio nje mwaroje ngana kulita kagasia kaya mukanga second term ende ngana kwa sababu myago na mole Father Lucas bana mate father de bana kwanya kokore se tuwa kutumete waikani antuwa na ndio maya watatewie ke mungu kende yote bana to tuwa regrets ndio atenga wa msibaminto na ndio kuna toka ende kuchukua 2027 tomato mwana iko koliye kirogo togende basi yeyo tabanga ntua wa ndio to rigire na kitwa sokia como to koliye kirogo mo president mwere ma ya nyam mwere ma ya ingoirana mwere mwezi biko mo wale simore ndio aje sama wako yona. Asante sana.
Togo tigana na yubono mwanchumu ligereria na kogenda goika soroboti ronde omuwaziri bobolendi bwaime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo litukolera lero abeire kagoteba buna nigo barachikoenekia eserikali ngochikokolera bauni bonsi abagenderere gochanda nabo igokounirire na kubaita abantu aiga asense ya Kenya gukwana litukolera lero korwa ase bitibia itembe ase omoyega bwogo sire byombe kurwe county ya Bomet nigabeire kagoteba buna nige serikali egenderete kubobeka byara bonsi ababere bagwikirania obuni ase chinsemo na gutiana wachigokora bonsi abo bagendete kuikirania ebikore ebyo.
Bomet siku hizi imenyooka sana, iko na usalama. Kuna wakati ulikuwa unakuja mkutano ya Bomet kama hii, huwezi ongea kwa sababu hata unaongea mwingine anapiga kelele huku, mwingine upande ule, lakini unaona Bomet leo ni tofauti, ni kama Yesu ako area. Bwana asifiwe Bomet. Mimi hii ndio njia mzuri ya kuonyesha kwa mikutano yetu tukae kwa mikutano ambayo iko busara, kuna kusikizana, kuna kupendana, kuna kuelewana. Nimeona viongozi hapa wanaomba kura, hata opponents ya rafiki yangu Sigei na dada yangu hapo Yvonne na wengine, wale wote wanaomba kura. Tumeona wanaomba kwa furaha, akimaliza anaenda kusalimia mwenzake alafu anakaa chini. Hiyo ndio siasa tunataka kwa hii region yetu na kwa Kenya mzima. Hiyo ndio siasa bora yenye tunataka, sio siasa ya kutafuta chuki na kuleta fitina. Na mimi nataka kusema namna hii, kuna watu wananiuliza, wanasema juzi, jana, wiki jana nimeongea mambo ya kupambana na goons na wauni. Si kwamba ninaongea tu, ninapoongea saa hizi hapa Nakuru tumeshika watu karibu 20 jana ambao wako kwa gangs na goons, na wako saa hizi ndani wanangojea kupelekwa kotini Monday. Huko Busia tumeshika wengine karibu 20 ambao wengine wamepelekwa kotini, wengine watapelekwa Jumatatu. Huko Kitale tulinyorosha Kitale mpaka leo, hata wanasiasa wenye walikuwa mkutano huko Kitale hatujapata mambo ya goons kama hapo awali, kwa sababu tumenyorosha mambo ya kupambana na goons. Wale kidogo tunasikia, na nimesema it's exaggerated, hii kidogo unasikia hapa na pale, mimi nataka niwahakikishie ile directive ya policy yenye nimepea ofisi ya IG na ile support tutampatia kwa wizara, sisi na idara ya polisi ikiongozwa na Inspector General Douglas Kanja, tumefanya uamuzi ya kutosha na mpango kabambe ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale wauni wanasumbua wa Kenya kwa mikutano watanyoroshwa kwa njia moja na watachukuliwa hatua ya kisheria.
Ekara tutigarete igabwasa bauni omuraibu kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigabeire kagwete babuna nigabauni babere bagoichuna aiga sense ya Kenya asabere gakuburia nonye na batali bali bagutarira ense ya Kenya utigara ase chinse chabo asekiria tebire buna nigo abange babo bakubeka magimabo asali akongunonye nabo nigabeire gakuburia omuraibu ense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto anariko bakagwesokia teneni na kwenekeria Kenya buna tarigo chigo print chibesa echera chigotumika ase chi campaign cho mwaka 2027.
Ile kiwanda ya kutengeneza pesa ilikuwa inaitwa Delaru, ilifungwa na Uhuru Kenyatta. William Ruto amenunua through proxy. Pesa ya Sudan inakuwa printed in Kenya, inapelekwa Sudan. Na what we are fearing, Reverend Father, is that history might repeat itself. In 1992, when Moi was in trouble, like now when Ruto is in trouble, amekataliwa na kila mtu, he imprinted money for the campaign, and then there was inflation. We are suspecting that William Ruto has acquired Delaru so that he can print money for the coming election, and then there will be inflation and our economy will collapse. We want William Ruto to confirm whether he has bought Delaru and to assure the people of Kenya that you will not print currency for the purpose of election. Wazungu wameniuliza, hii nchi yenu, the National Police Service, is there a provision for hooded men to carry weapons? We have seen people who are hooded carrying weapons. Those are terrorists. They should be shot on sight. The foreigners are asking, are we safe in this country? And I'm telling them we are not. There are too many goons everywhere. Na ndio nikasema watalii wangoje kidogo. Investors wangoje kidogo. Because mtalii moja akiuawa hapa, vile Julie Ward aliuawa in 80s. Our tourism suffered for 20 years. And that is why I said it's better they stay away, we sort out the issues, instead mtu auawe hapa. Wazungu wanauliza, are we safe? I'm telling foreigners, you are not safe in this country. Stay in your country for now. Sisi hatuwezi toka hapa, sisi tuangangana hapa polepole. Because hatuna pahali ya kwenda. But you who have a choice, investors, tourists, wait kidogo. Because Ruto amesema goons imekwisha. since aseme kuna mtu ameshikwa. The goons are still around. They are hooded. They are having weapons.
Mwanchamu waligereria hasoroboti urutonyoro umutima komoke aseke unga chinsa ibere kulende to basaguskale asege kagetali getambe ngoira na tole elio ngendere gukumanya ayagandete gukorekana kurwalia serikali yanene gendera kurigereria Getembe TV.
Ayumurimi amangana maya nkaya company ya Falcon ikuja koletere embusuru y'ekibando engia ya ETGM 401 eyekwama egati amatuke 90 wika amatuko 115 ka nebande gwichure buya asekemba na yabo buya asamasakara na igo terikogunda ebande yiga terikuigoburire na terikwama bichondo wigo ikuja koletere embusuru y'ekibando engia ya ETGM 601 eyekwama egati ya amatuke 125 wikama atuko 150 Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yegotokemeyo mu cyobusongo nkonya bale ebintu bunabono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati ibintu binde binge wigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego n'ichirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati ibintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwato bukoreri obu yabunabono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwato bukoreri wa forklift asibego bukoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolera ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange namagacho Safaricom wigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomuchi wosongo bakere simigwetera seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Karibu na ndo mwanchumo ligiriria asensa ya kabiri kiunga chinsa ibire elio ngendere gukomanya togo cha kalimo lioka umwaziri wa wachenu musike Eden Duale nigo abaire kagoteba buna nigo sha egendrete kokonya abana inchi abange asense ya Kenya aseboigo abaire gakoirana limbia gocha somora ibwense asokoleta ebime ya sha elikuwa nakia abana inchi anene bali babwate okonyora wense nigo bagendrete kokonyeka ekroba kuliyo bokorali bo wachenu
to all governments, and there are many ministers of health in Africa who have come to learn. And katika hizi pillars UHC, community health promoters imekuwa number 1 katika bara la Afrika. It has become a model that other countries want to learn. Your Excellency, these people you see here, they represent 107,000 community health promoters across our nation. These community health promoters are the link, the bridge between our citizens and dispensaries, health centers, level 4, all the way to Kenyatta. Hawa ndio wanabeba wagonjwa, wanawapeleka. So wamekuwa katika hile bridge. Hawa, Your Excellency, hata tukiongea saizi, as we prepare our country against the Ebola epidemics, wale wako Busia, hawa ndio wanatusaidia kwa surveillance and detection. Watu wengi Kenya hawajui ile kazi hawa wanafanya, Your Excellency. And as a Minister for Health, Your Excellency, and one you have given this, I am so proud of our community health promoters. Yale mahitaji yao nitakuachia wewe ndio leo kwa sababu we're in State House. Your Excellency, the other thing that is amazing in universal health coverage, that the whole world, even developed countries, are wondering, is how we have digitized our health care delivery system.
Naboigo muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigagendrere gwakire koko omuroboli yosha asabere kagoteba nigogendrete gokonya bakenya bange kwenyorero bokoreri bwobo chenu gukona litikulerero korwa senyomba yobora ya State House ekirabaga kumirana amona abakoreri bwobo chenu korwa sebinyoro gose community health promoters nigo aberiga kubatogia semere memi yabagokora asenonya nababere kagotebe serikali yense ya Kenya nigo yaberige kubwatoka chibesa echichira kana bakoreri abo korwa omwakolia oika omwakoyo omutienyi ogatano nomo.
The national government has allocated resources to pay their stipend. The Nairobi County has matched that commitment and exceeded, paying its own share of monthly stipend up to June this year. The numbers tell the story of what that investment has brought. Nairobi's community health promoters have registered 810,590 households on HS, 54% of the county's target, and revisited over 7,660 homes for routine care. You, the health promoters of Nairobi, have conducted nearly 2.7 million diabetes screening, covering nearly 940,000 people, and referred close to 30,000 for further management. You have further conducted 2.16 million hypertension screenings, covering more than 743,000 people, and referred over 50,000 to facilities. You, the champions of our health, have assessed 1.13 million children under 5 for malnutrition, diarrhea, malaria, and pneumonia. Those are not mere statistics. Those are diseases caught early, mothers guided to safe deliveries, the children protected before illness takes hold. That is what prevention looks like when it is delivered household by household by our great champions, community health promoters. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the plain truth of universal health coverage. It is not won in hospital wards. It is won at the doorsteps of our households, led by our community health promoters.
Nawigo manchomo ligereria litukolia lero umuraiwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto ningabereka wesokia na gotogia emerobelio eserikali ya bereke gwikirania muna enchere ya moyo kugendera gukinia uchumi yense ya Kenya asabereka goteba chi sector au imeyense ya Kenya nigo chabere chikorongia kubwa buna beteka gochinyora ekero aswete ekero gubuna umuraiwense gukwana litukolia lero koruchinse mo cha magoro ime ya Busia County nigabereka gote babuna serikali yense ya Kenya kubwatana na amona ba Kenya bonse nigera chigokinia ense ya Kenya gucha sebirengo binde na koenekya nigo aba Kenya bali babwate okonyora wense barachiko baba kwenyorera ekibagokora unenchire yemo yokoegenderia asamagi mabo.
Hii Kenya tutaibadilisha. Tumebadilisha kilimo, tumebadilisha mambo ya affordable housing, tumebadilisha masomo ya watoto wetu, tumeajiri waalimu. Sasa tumesema ya kwamba watoto wetu wote ambao wanaenda university, wanaenda TVET, wanaenda college, tutahakikisha kwamba wako na pesa ya kutosha kuwasomesha. Hakuna mtoto tena wa kutoka nyumba maskini watafukuzwa kutoka university. Sasa funding itakuwa ya kutosha watoto wetu wote bila ya kujali anatoka familia aina gani. We have modernized agriculture. We have sorted out universal health coverage. We have sorted out our education. We have laid a firm foundation for our economy. Now we must do two things. Number one, kutumia ile National Infrastructure Fund. Sasa tupange industrialization. Tupange vile hawa vijana wote watapata nafasi ya kufanya kazi. Tupange vile tutazalisha uchumi, tufukuze umaskini na tuhakikisha kwamba Kenya inabadilika. Na jambo la pili, tupange vile elimu itaendeshwa na tutahakikisha kwamba kuna vijana wako na ujuzi, wako na taaluma mbalimbali kupitia export of services. Tuhakikisha kwamba ajira inatosha vijana wa taifa letu la Kenya, ndio Kenya iweze kupiga hatua ya kwenda mbele. Nyinyi watu wa Busia mko tayari tuendelee na hiyo kazi? Na hiyo ni kazi mimi nimepanga bwana. Mimi nimepanga kwa sababu niliwaambia mimi nitasort out kilimo. Niliwaambia nitasort out universal health coverage. Niliwaambia nitasort out mambo ya elimu. Sasa ile nimewaambia sasa tunapanga mambo ya ajira yenu na mambo ya kusongesha Kenya iweze kusonga mbele.
Mwanchomo ligereria nara yikurwa seke unga chinsebere asobotuko bwalero mbia mona ya bene asengenchi wancha kusanga nabago kuligereria igetembe tibigendra kubwatia emerobelio tomerana nande kero charagire chinsenye chiabona butuko ngoletera yande asenchara yobuime twara oboligereri borobuya nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto twabwatera Nene Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebi manyererio nere Elvis Manyara kwani kilio gine chibicha byagwo ikeire.